The first one will introduce to you what we call the instrument. We always tell people, do not cut your budget on instrument. The first instrument today will teach you about what we call a bird beak instrument. This is the bird beak instrument, okay? It has, what do you have? You have this one, okay? And what I have, this is mine. You will see the difference between these two. Are you seeing them? Okay. This one is more sophisticated than the other one. This one costs around 10 bucks, and this one costs around 120. Yani you can buy 10, 12 of this type of instrument regarding the other one. Why it's called bird beak? Bird beak, it means it's like a beak. You have one is round here, and one is flat on the other side. We always tell people that with this instrument you can make 90% of all wire bending in your clinic. I repeat, with this instrument you can make 90% of your wire bending in the clinic. This is why it's very important, if you want to invest with a good wire, with a good bird beak plier, okay? A good bird beak plier is like this one. You see the difference between this one and you have in your hand. You have it, okay? Hold it in your hand. You see this one is much more accurate. It has the same performance as the other one, but it gives you more accurate movement. Okay. Now, first thing when we teach wire bending, we teach how to use the wire, how to use the instrument, and how to handle it. First of all, the instrument is only to hold the wire, and your finger is to make the movement. I repeat, the instrument is to hold the wire, and your finger is to make the movement. Let's make it. Let's make the first thing, the first step. تعطيني شقفة. Can I have one, please? In wire, we have what we call round wire. What you have in your hand is a round wire. We have a round wire and we have rectangular wire in ortho. What do you have? We have two types of wire. Repeat. What do you have? Round and rectangular. This is a round wire. You never use in your clinic a round wire like this one. This round wire is only used in lab. When you want to make Adams claps, when you want to make the removable appliance, you use this type of wire. This is what we call a stainless steel wire. Also, in ortho, we have two families. We have the stainless steel family, and we have what we call the night-eye family. Okay? We repeat. شو عنا?
We have round wires, rectangular wires, we have stainless steel, and we have night-eye wires.
And based on these two, every brand name will tell you this wire is 80% stainless steel, and we add 5% copper, and we add 10%, and they made a new type of wire. But the big family, like the family of PTM, we have one family stainless steel and one family night-eye. On each family, they are round, and we have rectangular. Okay. It's very simple. Based on that, when you hold, when you hold your wire, you hold it, and if you want to make a round, you push on the round. Now, our first exercise is this wire you have on your page, on exercise on page 1. You have to make the L, and you have to make the different curves which are there. You start with this one. It has to be exactly the same configuration. We start with, and after this one, and after we go for this one. We make 1, 2, 3, if you want.
Which one?
1, 2, 3.
The same size?
Same size of the wire that you have here.
Okay.
Okay.
We don't have cutters, by the way.
نعم.
بس عندنا البيرد بيك ما عندنا الكاترز.
This is the only bird peak that you have. Okay.
We need one
For the lady.
لا نفس البوك الموجود.